YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can probably already see by the title and thumbnail, we are headed to F80 Danny's house because he has a huge mod that we're going to be revealing to you guys today. I'm not sure where the video is going to take us, whether it's going to be the reveal or mounting them or both. So make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And also check out F80 Danny on Instagram and congratulate him on this new purchase. I will just say this, if I didn't give it away in the thumbnail already, this is the biggest mod that you could do to your car, and it's such a game changer. I know because your boy has some on his car as well, so you guys gotta stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Just pulled up to Danny's apartment. He just helped me out with some exhaust clips, and now we are going to continue the secret sauce video.
Very top secret.
Top secret. Let's go. Big hype, big hype. Biggest mod ever. All right, everybody. Moment of truth.
The big day, boys.
What do we have? What do we have?
The biggest mod for my F80 today, and honestly, probably the craziest mod that I'll be doing to this car.
Hold on, turn around, turn around. I gave everybody a hint.
Oh, yeah. Quick hint.
Let me see if you guys can point it out.
It's on there.
Yes, sir. All right.
All right, boys. We have my new to me BBS FIs.
Jeez.
These wheels are crazy.
Jeez.
Absolutely crazy. This has been in the works for quite a long time, honestly.
Holy shit.
I didn't think I was gonna get them. Your boy didn't have hope. But
Yeah.
in the end, it came through.
Shit prevailed, bro.
It was like the
Shit
stars
prevailed.
aligned, the planets aligned, everything.
Hell yeah. You guys see it. BB fucking S.
20-inch.
Top of the line.
FIs.
Forged wheels. Gloss black on the Avus blue.
It's gonna look insane.
It's gonna look insane.
Fucking crazy. I have the gold and black center caps coming.
Hell yeah.
So you guys will probably see a clip of these wheels mounted on the car.
So right now he has the front tires in. Shout out to, you want to give a shout out?
Yeah.
Where you got these wheels from?
Miguel, BMW Vision, Miguel Beamer. Shout out to him. If it wasn't for him, this would have not happened. So the whole story is I wanted these wheels for a long time, and Miguel was trying to trade his wheels for another set of wheels. And we couldn't make that work because obviously I have the competition wheels. Miguel has a F80 CS, and he needed the 763M wheels. So that fell through. But at last second, you know, he posted it up for sale, and I hit him up, and before you know it, we
made it happen.
The man got the wheels here. I picked them up, and
hell yeah,
we're here.
Made it happen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Yeah. This is like the best day ever. I remember when I got my wheels and they were trashed, and I still was super excited. But Miguel was also kind enough to provide Danny with basically new 4S tires for the front. So right now he has 2 rears on order.
Exactly. So I was debating what to do, and I decided to get some 295s since the rears are 10.5.
True.
So I figured, you know, why not? Let's go all out. Let's get the 295s on there. And I don't know if HRE does this.
Dude, that's fucking massive.
They stamp the specs. So there you guys go.
Oh, right there.
See that? FI.
Nice.
10.5 by 20.
The secret sauce right there.
Yeah.
So what's the offsets for people watching?
So the rear offsets are 28, front is 26.
True. And it's a 9.5, 10.5, and
yep,
10.5
fronts, 10.5 rears.
Nice.
Should look pretty good. They're F80 fitment, and Miguel ran 295s on his, and his rears were flush.
Dude, they look so gangster.
Maybe a spacer in the front, we don't know yet, but
yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. If you guys want to see what these wheels look like before they were on Danny's car, check out Miguel Beamer's page on Instagram. It was on his white CS. They look sick, but I also think they're gonna look insane on the Avus blue.
Oh, I can't wait.
I can't wait. The Avus blue always pops on the channel too. Everybody loves your car, so there he is. He's on the other side now.
BBS gang.
He's on the dark side. BBS or HRE, everybody. Drop a comment down below. I have no preference. I really love my HREs, obviously, but if I did have some BBSs, I wouldn't be mad either. You guys can see it, even in his apartment floor. They look sick. And what did you do recently this week?
So I hand polished these. I don't have a polisher, so I decided to just give them a quick hand polish. And I already ceramic coated these 2. I'm gonna finish up later this week with the other wheels, but yeah, they're pretty good. Miguel kept really good care of them, but gloss black is just that type of paint job where you really, you know, you barely touch them and they're gonna show that you have a little scratch on there.
For sure.
It is what it is. I'm hoping the ceramic coating, you know, helps out.
Yeah.
But I'm super hyped. As far as monoblock wheels go,
Let's
these were like
fucking go.
my top choice. FIs, FIRs.
Hell yeah.
I was looking at signature forged wheels, but I mean, BBS, come on. it's a no-brainer.
Can't beat it, boys. Top of the line right here. And similar to the FIRs, these just don't have the slits in them, but honestly, I think they look so dope. You can't go wrong with a wide spoke design for any wheel. Obviously, it's one of my favorite choices, and I know you're stoked, bro. It's just crazy. Bro, we got big baller wheels, bro. Let's go. We're gonna continue this vlog once Danny gets the rear tires in, and yeah, that's a wrap.
Let's go. Bye.
So we just wrapped up some filming for the secret sauce video that you guys will see soon. But shout out to Danny for helping me with some exhaust clips.
Anytime.
We'll actually be back in a day or two
for part 2.
So stay tuned. Make sure you guys follow your boy.
Yes, sir.
Just wanted to pause this video real quick to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So as most of you guys know, Simply Carbon Fiber is a huge sponsor of my channel. Right now you guys are looking at my carbon fiber sunglasses from them. I wear these sunglasses every time I leave my house. The whole frame is made out of carbon fiber. They're super lightweight and the styling is super sick. It's still summertime, it's still hot out there, so make sure you guys check out their website, check out their sunglasses. They definitely have something out there for your style, whatever that may be. And then, you know, if you want to tell the time and look pretty swaggy while you do so, make sure you guys check out their watches as well. Black goes with everything, especially the theme of the F80. So yeah, do me a favor guys, check out simplycarbonfiber.com and use my code FH10 and you'll get 10% off. So huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber and Kona for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into this one. We are currently on the way to F80 Danny's apartment complex again to continue the wheel reveal and BBS video for you guys. So stay tuned. I'm super excited. I think today is the day that we're actually going to be mounting the tires and putting them on his car. So this is about to be extremely exciting, especially for Danny. So I know how excited he is. Like, it just brings a smile back to my face just thinking about when I picked up my wheels. You know, the wheels are the biggest game changer. I've said it 1,000 times for your car. And so this is completely gonna transform his F80. I know he's been waiting for these tires for like over a week now, so the anticipation has definitely been killing him, I bet. So yeah, I'm super excited for my boy, even though he's team BBS. But yeah, of course we had to rock the new HRE swag, of course, on a wheel reveal day. But yeah, we'll catch up with you guys when we get over to his place. All right, we are here at F80 Danny's apartment. You guys see his beautiful Avus blue F80 right there. We just loaded the secret sauce into my car. You guys can see one of the fronts right there. Holy shit. Gloss black BBS FI, fully forged wheel. You guys see it on top of the secure red door cards and dash. These look incredible. We just mocked it up to his car and yo, that shit's gonna look hard AF. We also put another one of his fronts right here. We have 2 tires and 2 rims in my car, and then he has 2 rims and 2 tires in his F80. Speak of the devil right there. Huge fucking day. Huge day. Let's go. Today's the day. Anything to say?
Hype. Like
it's like Christmas, right?
It's better than Christmas.
We're in August and it's Christmas, yo.
Literally, you know.
All right, we out. Let's go. Oh yeah, we got the package secure. We got F80 Danny up front. Got beautiful downtown Orlando. It's a beautiful day to get some dream wheels. Let's go. We've arrived.
We're here. Boys, what are we doing? We're gonna see Ben. Ben's gonna, you know, add some spice to my vehicle.
We're gonna go wait for Ben and then here comes the magic.
Yeah.
Where dreams come true, Disney World.
Literally. Literally.
All right, we inside. Look who it is, the man, the myth. We got the F80 pulled in. Ben's actually hooking up ISTA to my car because when we put in the extended dash, my comfort access went away, so we're gonna run the codes and see what happened. But yeah, the plan of action is we're going to take the wheels and tires over to the mounting machine over there, and then we'll get them mounted up. The GOAT, always coming through. His back must be sore, bro. All right, we got the boys working. We got Ben mounting the wheels to the tires. I'm gonna get you guys a little bit of B-roll real quick, but yes sir. This is huge. Huge day. 2 wheels ready to go. Rollers, rollers. Shout out to our boy Ben. Wheels are perfectly mounted and balanced. Damn, first test fit. You guys see it right there. The finishing touch will obviously be when he puts the center caps in. But let's go ahead and put the wheels on first. Definitely gonna get you guys some B-roll, but already the first look, they look insane. I know Danny's hyped. This is it.
Boys, this is what dreams are made of.
All 4 wheels and tires are on the car. We're about to, yeah.
It's literally
we're about to lower it and give you guys the full reveal. Let's fucking go. Yo. The boy. Danny, what we're thinking?
Mind blown.
Shit's crazy. Look at that.
Listen.
Look at that rear meat.
First car with aftermarket wheels, and I mean, what better wheels?
Dude.
Like,
when we pull it out, you guys will be able to see it a little bit better, but yo. Oh yeah. Meat, bro.
Crazy.
You guys will see it a little bit better when we pull it out. Thanks to the boy. Always put in work.
I got you.
Man.
Let's go.
They look good, man. They really do.
In game.
You see?
The gang. Yo, first look. What do you think, Danny?
Dreams come true.
Shit's insane.
What are you gonna say?
Shit's insane. Shout out to the boy Ben.
Yes, sir. If it wasn't for this man.
I got you.
Yo, they look so good. You guys see the meat right there of the 295 Michelin 4S, and then boom, BBS FI on Danny's Avus Blue. Looks crazy. Comment down below what you guys think. Shout out to the GOAT, Ben, for helping out, as well as the 2 master techs that helped us out today. Big kudos to them. We got Ben's F80 right here, always clean, mint. That GTS hood though. Make sure you guys support Ben, follow him on Instagram. Couldn't have done my work with my comfort access and my dash without him. And then as you guys can see here, he hooked Danny up big time today with these new BBS wheels. They look so sick, yo. Reminds me of the day that I got my wheels. Can't stop smiling. Literally, cheek to cheek. Just started my loud ass car. But you already know, Ben's interior, always the cleanest. Make sure you guys follow Ben, Shame M3 S55 right there, always. Also, shout out to the master techs. They were able to fix my comfort access. It was just a simple plug. So we are back in action. Damn. Complete transformation for both of our cars. Love it. Ben's about to show us his 335 that we haven't seen in a long time.
First love, my first love.
Benny 335i.
Yeah, that's way back when.
E60 M5. What we got here, Ben?
I got my first love.
Your firstborn?
Firstborn. This is a 335i. Don't look at the front bumper. It's literally not held on by anything right now. I just threw it on there so it's more better. But yeah, this is her. This has been my project car for about 3 years now, ever since the motor went on me. I'm gonna try to get her back up and running.
What's the plan? What's the time frame?
No time frame. Just need more funds. So if you wanna, I'll link my Cash App down below.
True.
And you guys can go fund.
OnlyFans in the description. Didn't look bad though.
Nah, it's I literally sat outside for 3 years.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. You've seen better days, definitely. I was doing the paint
the splatter, yeah.
That's how far this car goes back.
This is sick. Stay tuned. Shrug Media. You guys will see it one day. Back in all her glory.
2JZ, maybe not less.
Damn.
Not too sure yet.
All right, we're back. BBS Danny, what do you think, man? What's going on through your head right now? This is crazy.
That I made it. I made it.
You made it, Papa?
I made it, mama. Nah, these wheels are amazing.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
Look incredible, bro.
Monoblocks, love them.
Happy for you.
BBS center caps just ties it all together.
Hell yeah.
Fitment is pretty much spot on. I
Yeah.
think.
Danny's always wanted monoblocks. He was looking at signatures, a bunch of other options, but these,
This is the cream.
this is it.
This is that cherry.
This is it. We might go get some content in there. That would be pretty hard with the lighting and stuff, but we'll see. We're just kicking it. All right, that's a wrap wherever we might be. Shout out to Ben.
Good night with the boys.
Always taking care of us. You guys seen it in the last video, the video before. He's always taking care of our group.
Try my best.
You know what to do right here. Hit him with a follow. His YouTube will be in the description as well. Shrug Media, Ben.
Whatever you want to call me.
The GOAT.
Nope.
The GOAT. We just got some content in the bay of everybody's F80. Make sure you guys follow everybody on Instagram. You guys will definitely be seeing some bangers. Banger season.
Spicy comment.
We out.
Content. We tired.
We tired. Later. Woo. Comment down below what you guys think of Danny's wheels. I'm super hyped for my boy. Shout out to Ben for always helping us out, of course. Make sure you guys follow both of them on Instagram. Subscribe to Ben on YouTube. This video was super fun to film. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed filming it and editing it. But I'm super happy for my boy Danny. You guys will definitely be seeing his F80 with the new wheel setup again on the channel very shortly. But yeah, as always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, hit the bell, subscribe for future content, and follow me on Instagram. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.